Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing the unboxing video of my newly bought cookware set. I wanted to deep dive into the Granite Cookware, specifically why I love them and why they are worth investing in. So let's jump right in. The great thing about this is that it's long lasting, durable, provides uniform heating across the pan, and it doesn't react with any foods or ingredients, and it is so healthy. And it comes with a 9-piece set along with a silicone grip. Above all, I love the elegant design and look of this cookware set. The pots come with 3 different sizes: small, medium and a large one. The large one is 26 centimeter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there is anything else that you would like to see my recommendations in the future, let me know in the comments below. I hope you all having a great day. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you back in another video.